It was a teenage winter and my old folks wishing well. You can see the piano too, mademoiselle. And now the young madame and monsieur are on the chapel bell. Said a beast and all those that love to show you never can tell. Thank you very much. If you hang around for 25 minutes, we'll do the fast stuff right at the end.